How far my people? I dey welcome na to my channel again where we talk about crypto in pidgin English. So chill and no forget to tell people about us. As we dey do better information wey you man dey know, make you man dey tell people wey need to know. So for our last video wey we drop, we talk about 15 ways wey you fit make money for crypto. If you never watch am, go watch am now, cause wetin we go talk here e go related to that video wey you never watch. So make you go watch am now before you come back come complete this one. So for our today video, we talk about wetin we dey call crypto pump and dump scheme for crypto space. I know say time to time you don hear about say coin dey pump, and sometimes you go dey hear say coin dey dump. Some people dey call am say coin dey dip if the coin dey dump, and some people dey call am coin to the moon if the coin dey pump. So na still the same meaning. So before we start to dey talk about wetin be crypto pump and dump scheme, we go first talk about wetin be crypto pump and wetin be crypto dump. Wetin be pump for crypto space? Pump na when a particular coin for crypto space just dey go up or just dey increase in value due to one or two reasons wey we go talk about for this video later. Then wetin be crypto dump? Dump na the reversal of pump, that is the coin dey go down, which means say e dey decrease in value for crypto space due to one or two reasons wey we go still talk about for this video. Wetin be crypto pump and dump scheme? So a pump and dump scheme na when one or two traders come together, mostly person wey get the coin in team and some crypto influencer wey dey for the crypto space come together, or they join hand or they collaborate together, buy the share of the particular coin wey they wan bring out or wey they don already bring out, come dey hype am for crypto space, social media, everywhere they fit hype am. And the rest of the people wey no know about crypto or wey no do their proper research well go think say toh, as they dey hype this coin na coin wey get better future, na coin wey get project, and people go dey put money, people go dey invest on am, people go dey buy the coin well thinking say the coin get future, or coin wey dey fit invest their money into. So once they started investing their money, they buy the coin go dey increase in value. So as the coin dey increase in value, the coin go dey go up, which means say the coin go dey pump dey go up. And after a small time, all those people wey put their money, all those people wey be shareholder, wey don buy the share of the coin, wey be the founders, the owners, all those people wey influence am, they go just comot their share from the coin, and the coin no go come get value again. The coin go dey come down, which means say the coin dey dump. And people wey buy the coin for the recent top, after those people, the founder don comot their money, all of them go dey on loss. Na wetin they dey call crypto pump and dump be that. I know say e dey fear you as we talk about am, say you go fit lose money. No be lie we dey lie o. Once they pump coin and you go buy from the top, or you go buy after they pump, you go lose money. You know say we dey here for you. We go tell you how you fit avoid yourself from crypto pump and dump scheme so that you no go lose your money. The number one way you get na to educate yourself before you go buy any crypto wey you get for mind, because people dey talk about particular coin or people dey hype particular coin, no mean say make you man go buy am like that. Make you man do your own research well before you go buy any crypto. And for CryptoPidgin here, we fit teach you wetin be fundamental analysis wey you take know if coin no be crypto pump and dump, if coin no be scam, and if they no go scam if you buy the coin. We go teach you fundamental analysis wey you go fit take know. Number 2 for the list na make you dey careful when celebrity and influencer wey no dey talk about crypto, then all of a sudden im just start to dey promote, dey hype, dey talk about a particular coin. Make you run say all those type of people na dem wan influence coin wey dey pump, and later on they go dump the coin, and you wey buy go dey on a very big loss. The number 3 for our list na go get mentor for this crypto space. As we dey talk am for my video every day, anytime wey I drop video, I dey tell you say crypto no be one man business, and crypto na all about information, and na who first get this information go make money first. Na so e dey work for crypto space. Go look for mentor wey go teach you everything wey dey know about crypto, then you man go continue from there, dey learn dey go. If you wan get better mentor for this crypto space, we dey do mentorship program wey you fit join. We go teach you crypto, everything wey dey related to crypto, everything wey you need to know about crypto, and e go take you 3 months. We go settle down, we go teach you how e take dey work for crypto space. So as we dey conclude our video, as we dey round our video up, last we know say nothing wey get disadvantage wey no get advantage. So for crypto pump and dump, you must fit make money from am, cause as I talk am before, crypto na all about information. So if you get the info say they wan pump a particular coin, you must fit buy, then when you dey on profit, you go sell am before dem investor comot their share, or before those shareholders comot their share. Na why you need to join our Telegram group and WhatsApp wey we go dey drop crypto signal and crypto pump. Crypto pump na only once in a week we dey drop am, so you fit join make you ma dey make money from am. Thank you for watching our today video. No forget to like and share the video to plenty people. So in our next video, we'll talk about 10 ways wey you suppose know before you start to dey invest on crypto. You know say I love una well, make una dey safe o, and no forget to share our video, no forget to subscribe, and last no forget say I no be financial advisor. Thank you very much. We go see for our next video.